What if that old computer fan sitting in your junk drawer could turn your charcoal stove into a fire-breathing powerhouse? Before you throw it away, watch this. Today, we're transforming a scrap CPU fan into an amazing charcoal fire booster using parts you probably already have at home. First, grab an old CPU fan. You can salvage one from an old desktop computer, broken electronics, or other discarded devices. Most CPU fans come with 4 wires. These wires control different speed settings. For this project, we're using the wires that deliver maximum fan speed, typically the black wire and the yellow wire. Carefully strip the insulation from the wires using scissors or a wire stripper. Take your time and avoid damaging the wire inside. Once the wires are ready, set the fan aside because the next step will make this setup much more interesting. Now grab a few neodymium magnets. You can salvage these from old keypad phone speakers, small electronic devices, or use any strong magnets you already have. Next, take a glue stick and melt a small amount directly onto the CPU fan housing using a soldering iron. While the glue is still warm, attach the magnet firmly onto the fan. Then flip it over and add another magnet to the bottom side as well. Make sure everything is securely attached before moving on. You might be wondering why. We're adding magnets to a computer fan. Trust me, it'll all make sense in just a moment. For power, grab an old 12-volt adapter. You can often find one from an unused Wi-Fi modem, router, or other scrap electronics. Connect the adapter's negative wire to the fan's negative wire, which is usually black. Then connect the adapter's positive wire to the fan's positive wire used for full-speed operation. After making the connections, wrap them securely with electrical tape to prevent any short circuits. Always double-check your wiring before plugging anything in. And now, it's finally time to see why we put this entire setup together. Here's the reveal. If you're tired of struggling to get your charcoal stove burning, this simple setup can make a huge difference. Just place the fan onto the stove using the magnets and plug it in. The extra airflow helps the charcoal ignite faster and burn much hotter in. Second, a simple hack made from scrap parts, and it actually works. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. See you in the next one.